Thank you, Renato. High school sporting activities are slowly coming back, but a number of athletes could be forced to miss out on representing their schools due to ISSA's current vaccine mandate. In this story, we'll hear the plight of the parent of a young track and field athlete who, as it stands, could see her dreams shattered by the mandate.
I rather know say she have a good health than I know she take the vax and then she sick. And when she sick, it's me I go find money up and down. I go see no government and I them a full sitting.
That's Anne-Marie Gibson. Her daughter, 12-year-old Shanika Gibson, is one of a few promising athletes from Vere Technical High School who would miss out on competing at the ISSA Boys and Girls Championships this year due to ISSA's COVID-19 vaccination mandate. But Mrs. Gibson feels there are other ways the situation can be handled.
Now we force people to take it, make people have their free will. So who want to take it, well take it, who don't want to take it, then leave it. There are other sources out. They can go and pay for the test. I will pay for my daughter test if it is necessary for them to use. I will pay the 8,000 or 7,000. I will pay it.
Living deep in the hills of rural St. Anne, it was track and field which saw her daughter Shanika spotted by many-time Girls' Champs winners Vere Technical High School, where she now boards as a student athlete. And it is with the desire to see her daughter follow the greats who have walked the halls of the Clarendon institution before her that Anne-Marie would love to see Shanika get the opportunity to compete at Champs, but not if there is the possibility of compromising her health.
Tell you the honest truth. I said, since if I vaccine to make she go at Champs, then I have her career. And she don't want to take it, and it don't make no sense. I force it on anything. What happened? For we never can tell.
In fact, Mrs. Gibson suspects that her daughter may very well have an adverse reaction to the vaccine based on past experiences.
From ever since she growing up, whenever she take injection, as you know, at early age at birth, she ever swell. She have a swelling skin, so 4 to 5 months, her skin swell. So I say it don't make no sense. If you know, say she go take it and then yet still she take it and she still can't go at ISSA because she's sick.
And Shanika's situation isn't unique at Vere Technical, according to their head coach, Christopher Harley. What makes it more complicated is that despite the fact that the athletes would love to compete at Champs, they cannot make a decision about vaccination without their parents' consent.
We have a number of athletes who not just a case where they don't want to take the vaccine, but they are young. So they can't do it without consent of their parents. So right now, there's a number of parents who are not in agreement with the students taking vaccine. So, as you know, we can't do it without their consent, especially for the younger ones.
ISSA did not require vaccines, but instead required that competitors returned negative COVID-19 tests before being allowed to compete at the championships last year. Coach Harley would like to see that option reinstated for unvaccinated student athletes for this year's staging. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.